सुशांत भाई वॉच बाय करनी है लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रहा कि कौन सी बाय करें. A watch is the best accessory that a man can wear. Why? Because it makes you look more classy. People think that you are punctual and take you seriously. It is a style statement and also a conversation starter. Imagine a person walking up to you and asking you for the time. You look at your watch and tell the time. The person also looks at your watch and instantly thinks that you are a solid guy. अब कोई भी वॉच बाय करने से पहले 4 थिंग्स यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड. फर्स्ट, दैट इट शुड बी स्टाइलिश. आपके ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी और आपके स्टाइल के साथ वो मैच करनी चाहिए. सेकेंड, इट शुड बी अफोर्डेबल. यू शुडंट एम्प्टी योर पॉकेट्स जस्ट टू बाय दैट वॉच. थर्ड, इट शुड बी वर्सेटाइल. आप वो सेम वॉच डिफरेंट ओकेजन्स पे पहन सकते हो. एंड फोर्थ, इट शुड लास्ट यू लॉन्ग. उसकी बिल्ड क्वालिटी जो है वो बहुत सॉलिड होनी चाहिए एंड इट शुड लास्ट यू फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. So today I'll be telling you 5 different reputed watch brands which you can look for under 10,000 rupees. The first one is Fossil. Their watches are a perfect blend of classy and casual style. The build quality is great and also the best part is कि इनके straps जो हैं they are interchangeable. So you can buy an additional strap and there is a click mechanism. You can interchange the strap at home and just change the whole look of the watch. Second is Casio. Now the Casio has a history of past so many years. तो उनकी build quality में तो कोई doubt ही नहीं है. The best series which I personally like is the Edifice, जिसमें chronographs हैं छोटे छोटे dials watches में and they look super stylish and classy. The third is Titan, again a reputed brand, so no doubt in the build quality again. They have a wide variety in all the price segments and recently they have come up with super sleek and elegant styles, so you can go check them out. The fourth is Tommy Hilfiger and they are known for their big dials and funky designs. So if you have a bigger wrist, you can go for that. Also the build quality is superb, so you can go check them out. And the fifth is Armani Exchange. इनके पास casual, sporty and funky styles भी हैं. They also have slim, classy and elegant styles. The build quality is again superb, especially at this price range. Armani के लिए if you can stretch your budget a bit and go up to 12,000, 13,000, you will find super stylish watches, so you can go check them out. Another honorable mention is Daniel Wellington. Their price range starts from 10,000, but they are known for their super minimalist designs which look very high class and elegant. Also the best part is उनके interchangeable straps होते हैं, so you can change the straps at the ease of your home and look super stylish. इन सारे watch brands के जो मेरे personal favorite styles हैं, I've mentioned the links of them in my bio, so you can go check them out. अब बहुत सारे लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि यार ये 10,000 वाला जो price है that is very high for me and I can't afford it. But guys, remember one thing, that watches are an investment and can last you decades or even generations if you take really good care of them. So go ahead, choose your style, level up your class and move a step closer towards being a stylish gentleman.